Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can rotate or spin an image in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add this image to my timeline. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can rotate this image. If we want to rotate an image, we can use animation. Go to the animation and then go to the combo animation, and here you can choose the spin animation. You can scroll down until you find the spin animation, and you can apply this animation to your image. But unfortunately, this animation is only for pro user in CapCut. But don't worry guys, I'm going to give you alternative to rotate our image without this spin animation. Okay, I'm going to undo. Okay, and the alternative is using keyframe feature to rotate our image. You can click on your image like this, and then you're going to apply keyframe for the rotate option. Okay, just click on the keyframe, and then I'm going to rotate it. We can move this pointer to the end part of this image, and then we're going to rotate it. Wait guys, I'm going to rotate it like this. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to rotate or spin an image in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!